Carla Pugh is a children's book author, educator, and storyteller who encourages young readers. Her Pomeranian Barkley is an inspiration for many of her stories. So Carla and Barkley join us this morning to tell us about her latest book, Barkley the Brave Puppy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Barkley is just the absolute cutest thing here. I want to ask you, what inspired your book?
So the life of Barkley inspired me. It's the life events of when he was a puppy. And it was just allowing me to be able to share his story with the world.
I love that. And I think when you think of children's books, you know, kids love animals, and especially you're sharing little pieces of your own animal.